Привет, друзья! This is the fifth and the last lesson of our course. Can you believe it? I think that's amazing. Today we will learn our last group of letters, and as usual we will practice some syllables, soft and hard consonants, and listen to the new words. And of course finish the Russian alphabet. So to make the long story short, let's begin. Okay guys, if you watch this course from the first video, you know what to do. I say the sound, you find the letter. Let's start. First sound, F. F. B. B. N. N. Ц. Ц. Е. Е. Ё. Ё. Я. Я. И. И. З. З. С. С. В. В. Okay, now we are ready to meet our last group of the letters. Just have a look at these beautiful letters. Don't be afraid, I have one good news for you. So these two letters, hard sign and soft sign, they don't have any sounds. So we cannot use them without consonants. But I will explain you later how to pronounce these letters. Now just keep in your mind, hard sign and soft sign have no sound. And as for the first letter, it's sh. Sh. Like in English word shock. Sh. Sh. Next one, sh. Sh. That's okay if you don't hear any differences between sh and sh now, but sh, it's hard sound and sh, it's the soft one. How to pronounce sh correctly? We start from sound sh, 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 and move our tongue a little bit toward front teeth. Sh, sh, sh. Excellent. Next one, y. It's also unfamiliar for most of people around the world, I guess, but it's similar to sound I. You remember this letter, I, and this one, I. How to say letter I? Let's start from letter U. Let's say U, U, U. And now let's try to smile gently. U. Can you hear the sound? It's I. One more time together. U. U. Pay your attention on your tone and its position on the mouth. Let's practice it one more time. And the last one, you. Y-u, you. Like English word you. For example, you are right or you are smart. You. You. And now I show you the letter, you say the sound. You. I. Let's try one more time. I. It's I. Next one. Sh. Sh. And the last one. Sh. Sh. Let's practice one more time from sound sh. 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 Okay, and now let's read syllables. ша, шо, шу, ше, ши, ща, що, щу, ще, щі, ми, мю, ди, дю, ки, кю, ли, лю, шу. Это шо. Это ща. Это ще. Это мы. Это ды. Это лы. Это лю. Okay, now let's read words. Юг. Юг. Щ. И. Щи. Ш. Аг. Шаг. Б. И. К. Бык. Мышь. Мышь. You can see the soft sign at the end of this word, so we just try to pronounce letter sh a little bit softer. Школы. Школы. Рысь. Can you hear s sound? Let's compare. S, 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 s. When I pronounce s, it's a little bit softer. How to make from s, s? I just need to put my tongue near my low front teeth. S, 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 s. And that's рысь. Семья. The same idea. We pronounce m, m instead of m, 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 m. The same position of my tone in the mouth. Семья, not семья. Семья. В юга. В юга. Вьюга. О сень. Осень. Объект. Объект. Here you can see the heart sign, so I just make small pause between two parts. Объект. Объем. Объем. Подъем. Подъем. Подъезд. Подъезд. Okay, so first of all, it might be difficult to hear all these differences between I, m, s, sh, sh. But we just need to practice. It's simple idea, but it's useful because our ears, our tone, it's like the muscles. We can train them, and if today you cannot hear any differences, don't give up. Just try to listen and try to practice. And at the end, let's have some fun and try to read these long words. What about this one? Коричневый. Коричневый. Next one. Фиолетовый. Фиолетовый. Информация. Информация. Путешествие. Путешествовать. Фотографировать. Фотографировать. Достопримечательность. Достопримечательность. Совершенствовать. Самосовершенствоваться. Самосовершенствоваться. So guys, that's all. We finish our course. I hope that now you can read confidently. It was fantastic. I know that to learn new language it's so hard, but you did it. I'm so proud of you. That's true. You did the first, but one of the most important step. And now you can just improve your reading skills and start practicing Russian. Thank you so much. Скоро увидимся. Пока-пока.